Hello there. I've just found myself in the enviable position of not only having an iPhone 11 Pro, but a GoPro Hero 9, and also just recently purchased this Zoom handy video recorder 4K Q2n. So having also just purchased a Kawai digital portable piano, let's see the results and how that will make my life easier when starting up a YouTube channel. So this opening section is shot on the iPhone 11 Pro Max with the forward-facing camera. This is the Kawai ES 920, of which I shall play and record into the microphone on the iPhone direct. Now this is shot using the GoPro Hero 9, roughly in the same position as the iPhone 11, and using the onboard microphone of the GoPro. And last but not least, this is the ZOOM Q2n 4K handy video recorder. Again, approximately placed where the iPhone was. Let's listen to the sound quality and video quality of this particular product. So I hope that gives a very quick idea of how each product performs against the other. I'll probably need to do a more in-depth comparison, but what I'm really after is to see how easy and automatic each product is, because if you're going to start vlogging, the most painful parts of the process are moving files, how easy it is to integrate with your editing software, and how easy the overall process is made by the features of the product. Let's face it, the less manipulation that's required, the easier it is to chuck out content, and that's where the Q2n is really aimed. It's even described by the manufacturer as the musician's vlogging camera. So I will be hoping to make the most of that particular device in future. See you next time.